Hello everyone, welcome to this video and welcome to my channel. I'm Ryan and today we are here with another tutorial in Illustrator. Today we want to learn how to create a new custom brush in this app. The very first thing we're going to do is to draw our brush. So I'm going to use a line or use the pen tool to draw our first line. So let me create a simple line right here. For making it a little bit more interesting, I'm just trying to copy from this line. So with the selection tool and holding the Alt on your keyboard and click and drag, you can create a copy from your line. So I'm doing this for maybe 4 times. Okay, yeah, it's good. And now let's select all of them together. And after that, I'm going to brushes and now click and drag all of this into this window and change this to the art brush and click on OK. There is a window appeared here that you can change the name or you can change the direction and all of the other settings that you see. For example, in this direction, which is really important in this part, it depends on your brush and how are you going to work with this. It depends on you. For example, in this case, I need to be from left or right, one of these two, and also you can use flip. And so for this brush, it's okay for me and I'm clicking on OK. Now if we use the paintbrush tool and select our custom brush, you can start drawing that. You can find out that it has been easily created and now it's your time to show your creativity on your artboard. You see how much it could be beautiful if you create your custom and it really make your work easier for you. And so let me change some of the settings of the brush here. For example, here we have this that you can see it really creates beautiful lines. And so as I told you, it's completely based on your creativity and how are you going to create and use your brush. So this tutorial is also over and I hope you like it and it will be useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. If you have any questions, just tell me in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.